Welcome to another episode of our vlog at Pasco Boat Tops. Today we're showcasing an incredible custom upholstery project that has transformed a pontoon boat's seating. Our talented team has worked hard to select the perfect fabrics, colors, and stitching techniques, and the results are nothing short of breathtaking. Tune in to see the stunning details and get inspired for your own boating adventures. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content.